This is Numbers with Nicole. We're going to do area of a circle, and we're going to do the exact area this time. Previous video we did rounding. Now we're going to do an exact answer. So given the circle shown, we want to find the exact area, so we're still using our a equals pi times r squared. Given this picture, we know we have a diameter, which is 12, which would be composed of 2 radii. We only need 1 radius. So 12 equals 2 times the radius. So our radius is 6. A equals pi times 6 squared. So we could use our calculator to do 6 squared here. However, since we want the exact area, and remember, pi is irrational, it continues on forever. So since pi is irrational and we want an exact answer, we're not going to push our pi button. We're just going to write it next to whatever 6 squared is. So 6 squared is 36 pi. And that is the exact answer. We could include units as well, which would be inches squared. Area is squared units, but we're going to not do that. You don't have to. So again, to express something exactly that has an irrational component, a component that goes on forever, we just simply write it as 36 pi. Okay, pi being the irrational piece. So pause the video here, find the next exact area for the circle, and when you're ready, compare your answer to the key that I'm going to do right now. So we're going to find the exact area for this circle. The area formula is pi r squared, where r is our radius. Luckily here we have a radius already given to us. So we're going to substitute that in for r. Now the only part that's being squared here is 8. Again, you can do that in your calculator. 8 times 8 is 64. So we're going to have 64 pi as our exact answer. Again, I didn't round this. This is exact.